Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eduventure SG. So let's do another interesting word problem on ratios. Let's read the question first. 246 girls and 460 boys signed up for a writing competition. On the actual day of competition, some boys were absent. As a result, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys taking part in competition was 6 is to 11. How many boys were absent for the competition? So what we have here is there are 246 girls, okay, and 460 boys, right, who have signed up for a writing competition. But on the actual day of the competition, some of the boys were absent, okay, and as a result of this, the ratio of the number of girls to the boys is 6 is to 11. Okay, so we have to find out how many boys were absent, right? So by reading the question, right, at least one thing we can infer immediately is that the number of the number of girls, right, all the girls were present for the competition, right? None of them were absent, right, because there's nothing written about the absence of the girls, right? So one thing we can surely say is that all the girls, all the 246 girls have taken part in the competition, right? Now, and what else we have, that means after, like, some of the boys, right, even if they haven't participated, right, the ratio was still 6 is to 11. Okay, so we can write it as, okay, the girls is to boys ratio is given, it is 6 is to 11. Okay, now since all the girls are present, right, so that means the total number of unit of girls is, let's say, 6 unit, should be equal to how much? Should be equal to 246, right? So we can say that the number of girls, okay, so the number of girls present right, the competition is how many units? Is 6 units, right? And that is equal to 246, right? Actually we don't need equal here. Okay, so the number of girls is basically 6 unit, and that is equal to 246, because none of the girls were absent, right? All of them were present, right? So how much will be 1 unit? Obviously 1 unit will be 246 divided by 6, and that will give us 41. Okay, 41. So hence we got, like, how much will be 1 unit. So 1 unit is 41, right? So from this we can calculate, like, how many boys were present at the competition, right? How many boys were present. So the number of units of boys present is 11 units, right? So from this we can find out the number of boys present, right, it is equal to how much? It is 11 unit, right? So since 1 unit is 41, right, 11 units will be 11 times 41, right? 11 times 41, and that will give us 451. Okay, that means on the day of the competition, only out of 460, only 450 boys were present. Okay, so from this we can easily calculate how many boys were absent, right? How many boys were absent? Obviously just subtract the number of boys present during the competition from the total number of boys who signed up for the competition, right? So the number of boys absent will be number of boys absent is simply 460 minus 451. That will give us 9, right? That means just write our answer. Let's write our answer quickly. 9 boys were absent, right? So 9 boys were absent, right, during the competition. Okay, so 9 boys were absent during the competition, right? So that's the solution of our question. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.